Hi everybody, good afternoon. I'm continuing industrial intrusion. Today I'm doing task 21, CRC me if you can. The room is not active yet. I'm not sure, maybe the weekend or something. This is a screenshot for the task 21 is a crypto, CRC me if you can. They make it like 3 level dots there. The scenario is 3 months after the Virelia Water Control Facility was remediated, flickering sensor and phantom alert persist. A covert against stage implant still lurk, waiting for its kill switch. As a higher team specialist for Black Echo, your mission is to forge a legitimate control frame that disable the implant before the real attacker flips in on. They said use Netcat to interact with the CRC-Oracle and the control server. Port 1501 is CRC-Oracle send any payload except the kill switch and get back the exact frame packet. And then they get a port 1500 control, send a fully framed packet, get fail or the flag on success and see. So basically if we send the kill switch we get the flag. Of course guys, the room is not live, so we do manual testing locally. We'll use some scripts there. So basically let's see what we have. You get this file folder. This is the script we solve the room with, but they give us the open frame, they give us the kill switch, and they give us this gateway protocol Python. Gateway protocol Python, if you read it, it's this is part of the header. This, for example, XOR. This is basically, that's how their CRC is like custom CRC. CRC is like um, when you send the header, they do CRC check to detect the head that the packet is legitimate. So basically, if you did network, it's type of security measure. So this is, if I'm not mistaken, depend of information is not standard. So basically, you don't need to understand what exactly. This is just how they calculate the CRC. So for us, it doesn't matter, we just need to use it. So we need to use this function CRC-32 as it is. So we're not changing anything. So basically, we need to use that. Now, we know it's there, so let's start first with some simple things. For example, you can start with Python 3, and let's say from we can take that. Remember, we have that file. This is the gateway they give us. That where we have that CRC. This code. So let's use this code. So you can say. I think that's how you do it in Python. Let me see my notes so don't. There's too many things to remember in this room. It's a bit confusing. Yeah. Yeah, we need to import that CRC-32. Import that function CRC-32. Basically, if we say, for example, CRC equals CRC-32. Let me see let's not flip around now. So CRC-32, we need to do the byte. So we need to, for example, if we send the open, that's how it calculates. If we then we can hex CRC. Now we got this file. So basically it calculate the CRC for the word open, and that's how it calculated. Now what's next? Next is first of all, let's investigate what we have. So we have that we can do hex demp -c to see, for example, that open frame what it has. Now if we have that, if we do the kill frame, let's do the screen there. If I do the kill frame, now what's the difference? You can see, you see the open and the kill, but you don't see only, you see this, the start of the headers, the end that give this is 12 because this is length is 12. You can see this one is only the kill, the hex for the kill. You can confirm it here. So it's a kill. So we're not but there is no, because this you can see CA4 and this one. If you take this one is the open. So you can see the structure. So this is the CRC. Let's confirm this because they give us this packet. We know it's working. Look this packet and look our Python as we see it. 92. Let me make it bigger so everybody can see. 92E5. So you have 92E5 and you can see 6E10, 6E10. So we have the CRC there. Now what we can do, so this packet, the kill one that we're supposed to send, we don't have this. That's not a big problem. We can just go here and just do the kill there, and then just give me the hex. So this is the CRC for the kill packet. So if this one, I can put that one there, and you need to put also this one because it seems that's the format of the packet. Then I have a proper packet. Now before we go to fancy in Python, we can do that manually. Let's show you how to do it manually here. Let's do header.binary, and we do it in 2 stages. So we have this. Let's go there. Let's be clear in the command what do you see. This CAFE0104 is what exactly we have these ones. So we can do that, and we can do hex dump, for example, -C in this header, and we can see we have that empty value. So we solve this one problem. So we have the first line, it's there, so we got it correctly. We don't have the kill yet. Now what we can do is we can then combine the packet. We know the kill is inside the not you. Now we can go there. For example, if I go there, remember we have already the kill variable, the kill one. The kill variable has the kill on it, so we have the kill binary. So you can just combine the header, this one, with that kill, and we have 2. So if I do hex dump for bump -C, and then packet header, the one that we have now we have CAFEF. We have dots. Let's do, so we can know what we are trying to do. We know the open frame is the one that works, so we have the same here. So we don't have the no, this is the open, this is the open, this is the kill. So we just need to add the check. The check we already said for kill is this one. So we can just do hex edit. What's the name of the packet? We can go at the end, and can we start add our, for example, 31. Let's add 31. Then I can add BC, and I can add BB and DD. BB, DD, control save, yes, no, control S, did it save, control X. Now let's confirm that we have the new packet, hex dump, not open packet. Now you can see, don't confuse with the one, because this hex things, if you take this, because 31 is 1 and then the other one is not characters from hex. You see, you can see 1 and then the one not AXI character, so don't get confused when you see his 1. It's not kill 1, it's just kill and the rest of the AXI. So now If you look the open, we have the same format. We have this, we have this, we have the word, we have our CRC. So basically we have the packet if we want to do it manually like that. Now of course how we test it, now the room is not live. Now to test this, let's test it. I got a script from Gemini to help to testing these two script. I forgot what's the name. Control server is the one that we give it a flag. Let's use the, let me show you what I'm doing. Because remember the room, it has two ports, the 51 and you have 500 to get the flag. So the first script is the one for testing now. We use the CRC-Oracle. Let's open this one. This one is we're running 15.1. Is he use also the CRC that things. It's just a way to simulate in our lab, so we don't, because the room of TryHackMe is not live yet, so we need to work and test it. So let's go. So now we have Python. Let's run now Python 3 CRC. So now it's running in 1501. The 1501, remember, is the one that put back our packet. So now how to test this? We can test it like this. Just send to him something and see what exactly do. So if I go, remember we did all this math here. Let's send something now to this server. We send in this, no, not you. No, let's send it from here. Let me make bigger. Now it reply and he calculate. So he calculate his own test, because remember the 51 he just calculate and send it back. So let's make sure we got the correct answer. So let's go back to our, if I do test here, 93B8, 93B8, 93B8. So we got the same thing. So this one is just reflecting to reflect the room. So when you are in live room, you use, of course, your NC, it will be TryHackMe room. So you can call TryHackMe room directly without XD if you want, and that's why it gives you the characters. Now this one we know simulation work. Let's keep this one. And let's do the live one, the one we don't have a live, sorry guys. What's the other one? The control server. This one is running in 1500. This is the one we're supposed to run. Remember, let's test it manually first. Remember, we create our packet. Let's test this packet that we create manually. You see this packet we created manually. I can just say cut this packet, for example, manually, then send it to NC. And we can just send it to local IP, but it's in 1500 and C 127 my machine .0.0.1 1500. You can just send it now. You can see it's a program to give me the flag as this is not a real flag, guys, so let's be clear. That server is, where is it? The control server. He just simulate. If you give him the correct things, he just print you a fake flag. Where is that fake flag? That's this is got it from Gemini, or you can do XD, and you can see, for example, your flag. Of course, this one is not the live TryHackMe, but to prove that we've been able to create this. Now, question is, how to make it fancier. So now we've been able to create a packet. So now there's a script that we can use. Let's do, where is that script? Solve. This is the script that's supposed to solve. Now this is when you do things automatic. Let's say, so if I do, the script will create a packet himself. So let's Python, let's oh my goodness, Python 3 the script is solve.py. If you tell it run, now he gets, you see, this script will create a packet himself. So basically, finance of the struct of the Indians, now CRC from the file. This one basically, it do the kill. You can see we got the same things. We do it manually. You can see he's doing the same thing. And then you send the packet, craft packet, and then receive a response and get the flag. In TryHackMe Relium, you'll get the real flag. This one, it's a testing environment. So the solve script, it can do things manually for you. There's another option. There's another small script we can check. This is a script called frame. This one, it's half automated. Basically, you do the same things. You add that CA1. Remember, we saw these 4 digits. The first one in the these four. You need to add them, and it calculates CS. Let's try to understand that script. So we're using another method. For example, now I can say echo. For example, I can say no echo. What echo in control serverx? What's that? We can cut echo cut, same things. This list, I think the echo should work. Echo minus n, let's say test. Let's now run it to that server. Same what we did. No, we pass it to the Python 3 frame. This is a new the second way of doing this. So it's not where is it? This is the solve one. Yeah, we can use the not and yeah, the NC1 500. We can try push it now. Now I said fail. You can see I got fail here because I'm just sending the test one. You can see test is not the kill switch. So what we can do, test is not a kill switch. Of course, even if you send the word kill, it doesn't work like that. So if I do kill, it's failed. But if I do this now, if I do the binary that we have, cat kill binary, and throw it to this script. So remember, you have 2 different scripts. The solve one will do everything automatic. The frame, you just create a packet for you. So if I do now, what I tell him, take the kill switch binary, create me the new packet, then send it to NC. Now if I send it, I get the flag. And if you go to the control, our server, it said CSX, a correct kill command received. So if you want to, or you can do pass it to XXD if you want to look to it like that. So we have 3 ways of solving it. So you have the main script that solve it automatic. You have frame that can create for you the packet, or you create manually. You can do this manually, like what we've been doing here, like what happened, what's wrong with you now? Where did we create the manual stuff? In any case, remember when we did hex edit for that our packet? So no, not you. This remember when we did hex edit hex edit for that packet data binary. Remember when we did this manually, we added there. So that's what I'm talking about. So you have 3 ways to solve it. You have this one, this one, this one, and that one. I hope, guys, I didn't confuse you. So I'll put the script, so I'll put the frame to test it. I'll put the main script, and then I'll put the CRC, this one, to test the legitimate one in port 1501, and then put you the control server if you want to test it in your computer. And then when the room is live again, so when this, not this you, when then this year they will open it, them, I'm not sure. Last time they opened the other CTF, maybe they will do it again this weekend or not, I'm not sure. If they do it, you can test it, so just change the IP. Okay guys, thank you very much and have a good day.